Hey everyone, today's video is about when Vi and Caitlin see you coughing up blood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's get going. The day starts like any other. Piltover hums with activity, the buzz of Hextech and the murmur of people blending into a familiar symphony. You, Vi, and Caitlin were spending a rare day off together, strolling through the bustling streets. It's in these moments that you remember how much you cherish them. Vi is at your side, her arms draped protectively over your shoulders, her usual cocky grin in place. Caitlin walks a step ahead, scanning the surroundings with a practiced eye, her sharp gaze softening when she looks back at you and Vi. I still say we should have gone to the Undercity. Vi teases, nudging you gently. You know, real excitement. Not this polished, built-over stuff. Caitlin rolls her eyes but smirks. Some of us prefer excitement that doesn't involve dodging bullets, Vi. You laugh, feeling warmth in your chest. Not just from their banter, but from the simple joy of being with them. However, the warmth quickly turns into a burning sensation. It starts as a tickle in your throat, but quickly escalates. You stop mid-step, clutching your chest, trying to suppress the urge to cough. Vi notices immediately. You okay? She asks, her grin replaced by concern. I'm fine. You manage to croak, but the words barely leave your lips before a violent cough overtakes you. Blood splatters onto your hand, stark against your skin. Caitlin's eyes widen. Lion, she exclaims, rushing to your side. Vi grabs your shoulder, steadying you. What the hell? You're coughing up blood. Her voice is a mix of anger and fear. You try to speak, but another cough racks your body. Caitlin kneels beside you, pulling a handkerchief from her coat and gently wiping your mouth. We need to get you somewhere safe and fast, she says, her tone firm but laced with worry. I'm fine, you insist weakly, but Vi shoots you a glare. No, you're not, she snaps. Don't even try to brush this off. Let's go. The three of you end up in Caitlin's family estate, a place that you've always found too grand for your tastes, but comforting in moments like this. Caitlin leads you to her room, insisting that you sit on the bed, while Vi paces the room like a caged animal. Caitlin kneels in front of you, her hands gently cupping your face. How long has this been happening? She asks, her voice soft but insistent. You look away, ashamed. A week, maybe two. You admit. A week. Vi explodes. And you didn't think to tell us. I didn't want to worry you. You mumble, but Vi's glare doesn't soften. Well, newsflash, we're worried now, she says, running a hand through her hair in frustration. You can't just hide stuff like this from us. Caitlin places a calming hand on Vi's arm. Yelling won't help, Vi, she says before turning back to you. Lion, we need to know if anything else has been happening. Any other symptoms? You hesitate, then nod. I've been tired, dizzy sometimes. Caitlin's brows knit together in concern. This isn't something we can ignore. We need to get you to a doctor. The next hour feels like a blur. Caitlin uses her connections to call in a private physician who examines you thoroughly. Vi stays by your side the entire time, her hand gripping yours tightly. Caitlin, ever the picture of composure, asks the doctor every question imaginable. When the doctor finally leaves the room to prepare some test results, the tension was palpable. I swear, if it's something serious, Vi starts, but her voice cracks and she looks away. Caitlin sits beside you, taking your hand in hers. Whatever it is, we'll handle it together, she says firmly. You don't have to face this alone. You squeeze her hand, tears welling up in your eyes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't tell you sooner. I just didn't want to be a burden. Vi crouches in front of you, her hands resting on your knees. You're not a burden, Mayan. You're our partner, and we want to care about you. Got it? You nod, the weight of their love and support bringing you both relief and guilt. Got it. When the doctor returns, the news isn't as dire as you feared, but still serious. A lingering infection in your lungs, likely from exposure to polluted air in the Undercity, has been causing the symptoms. With proper treatments, you'll recover, but it will take time and care. Relief floods the room, but Vi still looks ready to punch something. I told you the Undercity was bad for you. She mutters, though her tone was lighter now. Caitlin smiles softly. What matters is that we caught it in time. You'll be okay, Wyan. You nod, feeling a mix of exhaustion and gratitude. Thank you. Both of you. Vi leans in, pressing a kiss to your forehead. Don't scare us like that again, okay? Caitlin follows suit, her kiss soft and lingering. We're here for you, always. As the three of you sit together, the weight of the day slowly lifts, replaced by a renewed sense of love and unity. You may face challenges, but with Vi and Caitlin by your side, you know you can handle anything. And later that night, as you lie in bed, wrapped in blankets and surrounded by warmth, they both refuse to leave your side. Are you comfortable? Caitlin asks, leaning against the headboard and a book in her hands. You nod, giving her a small smile. I am. Vi smirks, finally letting some of the tension melt away. You're getting used to the VIP treatment. Caitlin chuckles softly. You mean the Vi and IP treatment? Vi groans. Really, Cupcake? That's your best pun? You laugh softly, the sound lighter than it's been all day. I love you both. You murmur. Caitlin leans down to kiss your forehead. We love you too. Vi grins. Now get some rest. We're not going anywhere. And with them by your side, you close your eyes, the weight of the day fading as their love surrounds you. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and goodbye.